Hi everyone, welcome to the Home Health Aide Training Institute. We want to welcome you for joining our school. This video's purpose is to basically walk you through your time with us on your new journey. This might be a new experience for you, and we want to make this as smooth as possible as we can. So this is our founder of the school. Her name is Maria Santiago, and the school was established in 2015 with the goal of wanting to help seniors in the public. Maria uses her 25 years of experience in healthcare industry to offer the best education courses to individuals such as you in the healthcare field that are seeking to help people. So at our institute, our core service is to promote learning and opportunities for students to continue growing within their given field. So some of those courses that we offer are coordinator courses, where you will learn how to manage at a home care facility. We also offer personal care assistant courses, as well as certified nursing assistant courses and home health aide courses. Some of the agencies we partner with, which is where you're going to be completing your 8-hour internship, which I'll get into later, or you might be actually working in one of those because we do offer job placements. These agencies include Boulevard Home Care Associates, 7-Day Home Care, Amber Court of Westbury, and Orchard Estate of Woodbury. They're all located locally, so if you live in the local area, not to worry about the commute. These are just some of their logos. You might see them and recognize a few of them. So at Boulevard, they take pride in providing quality of home care services. With our help, families can rest assured that their loved ones will be well taken care of. This one is actually located in Brooklyn. Then we have 7-Day Home Care, which is located in New Hyde Park. And they are a trusted source of providing a wide range of exceptional senior care services, ranging from companion care for those who need daily assistance to more in-depth specialized care for those with Alzheimer's and dementia needs. We then have an agency located in Woodbury that we partner with called Orchard Estate. They are near the intersection of Route 135 and the Long Island Expressway. And since 2019, Orchard Estate has provided some of Long Island's best assisted living and memory care. We then have the agency we partner with in Westbury, which has a holistic approach when caring for individual well-being, physically, mentally, and emotionally. It is located in Westbury and Smithtown and Long Island. So those are their other agencies and locations that they have. So here is just a picture of some of our past students. I now want to get into some of the hours. So the hours in session, we have our morning sessions and we have our evening sessions. We also have weekend sessions for those who might have to study and work at the same time. So our morning sessions are conducted from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Our evening sessions are from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. and our weekend sessions are from 9 to 4 p.m. So now to get into some of the classes that you might be seeing yourself in, we have our CNA classes, right? And that is for a tuition fee of $1,200. In this course, students will work in a hospital or a nursing home upon completion of the 125-hour course. So that can range from 6 weeks to 8 weeks, depending on when you take your classes. So if you take the evening classes or the morning classes, that would be 6 weeks. If you take the weekend classes, that would be 8 weeks in length. I wanted to take time out to also explain our supply package that you can purchase through us for $95. And this will include your uniform or scrubs, your shoes, your blood pressure kit, and your school ID. We also offer the PCA classes, and in this course, you will be shown how to work in a home care environment and dedicate yourself to assisting individuals with daily activities. This is a 40-hour course and with a price of $490. Just as the CNA, we have morning, evening, and weekend courses. This is one of our shorter length courses, so it might take you from anywhere between 8 to 6 days. So if you take the courses in the morning, that would be about 8 days. If you take them in the evening, about 10 days. And if you take them on the weekend, about 6 days. We also have our HHA classes, which are 83 hours. It's an 83-hour course. And as a home health aide, your role typically involves assisting patients with activities of daily living, basic tasks that include bathing, grooming, toileting, eating, and moving. So in this case, you would be in a home environment. This course is for $655. It ranges from 3 to 5 weeks, depending on, again, when you take the course. If you take it in the morning, it'll be about 3 weeks. In the evening, about 4 weeks, and on the weekend, about 5 weeks. And remember, our morning courses are from 9 to 3 p.m., evenings are from 5 to 9, and weekends are from 9 to 4. As you arrive to sign up for the school and to sign up for your courses, we do ask our students to bring 2 forms of ID, which might include your country of origin passport, social security card, US ID. We also ask for a high school diploma, whether it is local or foreign, meaning you took a high school and graduated from your country of origin. If you do not have a high school diploma, we ask that you bring a GED, and if that isn't possible, we ask for you to take an entrance exam. So it's called Wonderlic. On the exam, you'll find questions surrounding English and math from grade levels from 1 to 6th grade. This is just for us to ensure that you are able to succeed in the course, and we can always allow a retest if anything possibly happens. We also ask our students to have a COVID vaccine, and if that's not possible, to bring a negative COVID test. We ask that you leave a deposit, or pay the fee in full for the courses taken. We also charge a credit card and debit card fee of $3.85. Just keep that in mind, but we do accept cash and we do accept checks. We also ask students to purchase a student kit, just as I mentioned earlier, in which you will be given a uniform, shoes, the blood pressure kit. I want to mention that the blood pressure kit has lifetime membership, which means that if anything happens and your blood pressure kit isn't working anymore, we will always provide you a new one. Remember that the student kit is a separate payment from the course itself. The student kit is $95. We also require that you do a physical, and this must be completed before clinical hours or before starting any course that you are taking. We personally are partnered with StatCare, which we will give you the location to if you don't have a primary care doctor. If you do have a primary care doctor, that is fine. You can do your physical there, but you have to make sure that your physical includes a test for measles, mumps, rubella, a 10-panel urine drug test with confirmation, and a TB quantiferon test. If you have a history of positive PPD or TB quantiferon, you must have a recent chest x-ray test as well. And when you go take your physical, make sure you take a COVID test as well. Physicals must be in before class starts or within the first week of the course starting. Remember, if you don't have a primary care doctor, we can always send you to StatCare, which we have been partnered up with. So in the PCA course, you are required to take 12 modules, which cover different units. The first being Introduction to Home Care and the job description, as well as the qualities of an HHA, to personal care skills, baby care, and practical clinical skills, which you will be learning in your internship at the given agency. For PCA, there is about 12 modules that you will go through, but if you're continuing your studies and becoming an HHA, you will go through a couple of more modules as well. And one of these modules include learning how to care properly for the nutrition of your patient. So that will be learned in module 8. So this is where you are going to learn clinical skills when it comes to food and nutrition. And that is going to be taught by our chef, Michael Thomas, who is a graduate from the Culinary Institute of America and currently has a 7-star accolade in Dubai. In addition to all this recognition, which is amazing, he has also done features on television. So the purpose of working with Chef Michael Thomas is to ensure that you guys have the proper language on how to care for nutrition as well as the utensils needed to care for your patient. Our establishment also has practical rooms which have been designed to mimic and replicate what an actual ICU looks like in a hospital. And within these rooms, you will be taught how to use important equipment and supplies as well as devices needed to care for your patient. You will also be learning how to assist in dress and change your patient, as well as assist with ostomy care. After the modules and after you learn all the information that you need, you will be required to complete an 8-hour internship, and at this internship, you will be given an exact location of where you will be completing it. In order to prepare for your clinical hours, you will need a rapid COVID test 6 priors to the clinical. You will also be required to bring 1 copy of a negative COVID test to the office before clinical hours. You must keep that original copy to take to the clinical, and you must have 1 reference letter. The day of the clinical, you will be required to have a negative COVID test, be dressed appropriately using the uniform you have purchased in your kit. You will also be required to carry your ID, also given in your kit, and you must sign the clinical form after your 8 hours are completed. Here are just some pictures of past students that have completed their internships. So as you see, they are properly attired and they have their IDs. Here are also some past students and some of our graduates, which leads us to our graduation requirements. And don't worry, you will be giving a list the day that you start your courses to ensure that you have a smooth journey and transition in our school. So we do require our students to pass all given tests with a 75% accuracy, and they are also required to satisfactorily demonstrate the ability to perform all aspects discussed in classes of patient care as instructed. We do have a dress code, which if you do purchase our student kit, you are on the right path. All students must wear nursing scrubs, students must wear white closed shoes, and you must wear a mask. We have some rules when in our classrooms that I would like to go over as well. We ask that you are punctual and create a good first impression. We ask that you are well-mannered and respectable. We ask that you wear your uniform and badge, as well as be clean and neat to ensure that the classroom and practical lab area are clean and tidy after use. Please avoid placing anything on the floor as people can trip as they're walking. Avoid using cellular phones. Take your trash out. We do have a no trash policy. You are responsible for taking care of your own waste. Bags and cellular phones must be kept in the closet, and there is no eating and chewing of gum in the classroom. Again, we would like to thank you for taking your time out to apply to our school. Our goal is for you to be successful, and for that reason, we will be giving you a checklist to ensure that your journey in this school and as a home care worker and health worker is successful. Thank you again for watching this video, and remember that we are here to help you.